Hello and welcome to TAIK. I am Mohammedadnant, and in this video we are going to discuss about how to create a table in SQL Server. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. This is a SQL Server Management Studio. In that I have opened the SQL query in a new window. To create a table, you need to use the SQL function create table. After that you need to add one space and then you have to define your user defined name. Here I have used the my employees as a user defined name. After that you have to add the open bracket. Inside to that you need to add the column name, data type and allow null. I am adding a few columns here. The first is employee ID and its data type is small int and allow null. So not null is I'm not allowing it null here. The next I have used here the first name and I have defined the data type of n varchar of 30 characters in the open bracket and close bracket, and here it is also not null. The next is the last name. It is also n varchar. It is 40 character limit and here I am using the null here. So I am allowing the null value for the last name. And the next is the title. Column name is the title and data type is n varchar. It is also 50 characters and it is also not null. And then the department ID small int not null, and then the manager ID integer, it is also null. After that you need to close the bracket and then use the colon to end your statement. Once it is done, select the query and then fi or execute. So it execute the command successfully. Now if you want to select and have a look at the table, so you can define it here. Select start from the table name. I'm selecting this and then fi. So here it has created a table here. Now if you want to create a table in using Management Studio, then you can also do that. So this adventure works 22 database and I have expanded it to database table level. So right click the table here and then new and then new table. So it will open up a new window. You need to define the column name. The first column name here, employee ID. Small int. So data type, we have the list of data types here which supports by the SQL Server. Small int, I am allowing it to null. So I am just removing this so it is not null. And next is the first column. It is n varchar 30, so not null. And then the last name n varchar 40 allow null. And then title n varchar 50 not null. And then department ID. Once it is done, you can use the control S or you can use this here save table. You need to define a name, so my employees. So if you open the object explorer again, you can refresh it here and then if you go down you can see this here table my employees. So let's select the table, select star from my employees, and now it has opened here. So these are the two ways you can create a table in SQL Server. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.